Door edge is doubled over. As you saw it smack the wall. We are going to use the EdgyTools pull right, aka the hookers. For this is more of a fender tool in large trucks. This is the 90 degree. That's what we're going to be using for this repair. Works with our slide hammers that we already own. Okay, so we're going to simply open the door, put the 90 degree in. We're going to start at the top of the damage, close the door all the way, get an angle so we can see what we're doing with our light. We're going to just work down the edge. The other way to do it is to work it like an angle and pry off the inner part. See the door starting to straighten out, take shape, some different angles.